like it? It hurts. Why'd you push down your lap bar so hard? Opening gates.
Welcome, explorers, to Adventure Safari Tours and Zambezi Zinger. When the gates open, carefully step into your row. Make sure that all loose articles are secured or placed in the storage area near the exit. Handheld items, including cell phones, are not permitted.
We're clear. I'll say it once and I'll say it again. This ride is a 10 out of 10. It's easy.
Welcome back, explorers. We hope you enjoy your safari. When the train comes to a complete stop, push up on your left. Carefully exit to your left, ensuring all loose articles are collected.